using in a 2007 Nissan Altima. No keys. We're going to be using a original Nissan Altima Prox. This is a used one, but it doesn't make any difference. Don't have to do anything to them. So, we're going to go to Nissan, Altima, key coding, 2007, Smart 4, program key, yes, yes, no, okay, okay, old pin code, I heard the steering wheel lock release, enter. Okay, now, take your fob, put it in the slot, it's in the on position, old pin code, says the doors need to be closed, ignore that, all keys will be deleted, that is true. We're just going to do one, okay, 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 once that status bar came across the screen, programming is done. All you have to do is cycle the keys. Now, it'll tell you turn the ignition off, remove fob from ignition. You can do that, or you can just leave it in if you're just doing one, which we are. Just going to leave it in there. Press OK. Now we're going to hit OK and watch the security light. Top right. Blinks 5 times. Turn it off. Turn it back on again. Turn it off. That's it. You're done. The steering wheel lock has now retracted. Take your fob out. There it is. Perfect. And then turn it on. And we have power. We are done.